Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama saya di Indobrony Channel, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan lagi reaction kita, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan series My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season keempat, dan sekarang adalah episode ke-16 ya, yang judulnya It Ain't Easy Being Breezes. Dan ya, tanpa berlama-lama lagi kita langsung saja ke videonya. Kita akan mulai videonya dalam 3, 2, 1, mulai. Oh, saya lupa kasih ya, subtitle bentar. Oke, kita mulai lagi dari awal. 3, 2, 1, mulai. Makhluk peri menggemaskan. Sepenting apakah berisi sini? So tiny. Kecil banget ya. Quiet cheers. Karena terlalu kecil jadi ya. You can do it, Breezy. Terlalu besar ya. Biasanya memang bersorak itu suaranya harus keras ya.
You can do it, Breezes! Perhaps just a little bit quieter. You can do it, Breezes! Just a little quieter.
Just a little quieter. Perfect.
Oh, I mean,
yay.
My little pony.
Poni kecilku, poni kecilku. Apa makna persahabatan poni kecilku? Kini ku tahu sejak berteman. Petualangan, keceriaan, keikhlasan, setia dan tabah. Berbuat baik bersahaja, magis membuat sempurna poni kecilku. Kalian adalah sahabatku. By the way, saya coba-coba memindahkan lagi mic saya agak ke depan saya. Biasanya agak ke samping di sini, tapi sekarang saya pindahkan ke sini ya. Ini ya lumayan agak menghalangi pandangan dan juga tangan ya sebenarnya kalau simpan di depan, pas depan begini. Cuma ya Natasha Levinger yang tulis episode kali ini ya.
Well, you see, it's the breeze that activates the Breezy's magic. And it protects the pollen they're carrying from being destroyed.
So, no breeze means no magic means the pollen goes bad?
That's right. And they only have 2 days to get that pollen back before the portal to their home closes. That's why it's ever so important that we help them make their way through Ponyville safely.
Okay.
We wouldn't want to scare them and divert them from their path.
Now you understand.
You certainly know a lot about them.
Oh, thank you. I went to see them gathering their pollen in Western Equestria.
Bro, Rarity pasti betul Rarity.
Rarity, I hate to weigh in with you when it comes to fashion, but
There's too much purple on this, isn't there?
Bukan, terlalu
But Twilight
terang coy.
oh no, it's the perfect amount of purple. It's just that there's an awful lot of
Pernak-perniknya banyak ya.
Oh, darling, please. One can never have too many sequins.
Tidak ada namanya kebanyakan pernak-pernik.
Like the sun, and the light catches a group of breezes right in their eyes and blinds them long enough to get them off their course.
Iya.
I stand corrected.
Bahkan saya bukan Breezes, tapi lihat ini, aduh, terlalu silau coy. Waduh.
I suppose this won't do either.
How the hell Rarity got that? Apa ya? Silau. Silau dalam bahasa Inggris apa ya? Saya lupa.
Every pony, it's time.
Welcome the Breezes.
They're as cute as Apple Bloom on the day she was born.
Would you look at those adorable little packs they carry their pollen in?
Melon, there's an apple! So cute! Can't take it!
Tahan, Pinky. Mau banget juga lihat si Spike, tapi kehalang sama para poni yang tinggi-tinggi. Ya, agak susah memang kalau jadi orang kecil ya. Maksudnya pendek ya.
Oh no!
Slow down the breeze for the other group to catch up.
They're too far back. We can't connect the breeze to both sets of breezies.
What if we speed it up?
Then the first group will be going too fast, and we'll get separated from each other.
Ya, dilema ya. Tidak bisa cepat, tidak bisa lambat. Bahasanya saya tidak mengerti ya.
He's right! You must all gather as close as you possibly can. Oh, I understand the language of all kinds of creatures.
You must be so proud.
And you speak my language too.
Oh,
This lot can only understand you. Clearly, they're not the brightest bunch around.
jadi bisa berbahasa kayak berbahasa Inggris ya.
We couldn't get a breeze going that would get the
Ini Breezy satu-satunya kayaknya bisa.
Your fault.
Entahlah kalau Breezy yang lain.
Fluttershy.
Karena sisanya katanya ini tidak bisa mengerti apa yang dibilang yang lainnya ya.
Or a sash. At least a sash.
Okay. I know what you're all thinking. Why don't you just say it? I'm sorry. This is all my fault. I'm so sorry.
Oh, Spike.
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Any one of us.
Okay. Thank you. I'm just gonna stay over here.
So, Fluttershy, you want us to get the breeze going again so these little guys can get a move on? Maybe we should wait just a moment or so. They've been through so much.
Lah,
Just give me the word when you think they're ready.
kayaknya per Breezy ini tidak mau pulang ya. Mau tinggal bersama Fluttershy. Sedikit mirip kupu-kupu ya. Cuma sayapnya
Problem.
apa ya?
Oh, did you need
Apa ya?
some water?
Bahasa Indonesianya lagi. Apa ya?
Now, who else needed a huff-knitted sweater?
Kapasitasnya yang 0% itu apa namanya itu?
Can we come in?
Bisa tembus pandang gitu. Apa ya lagi namanya?
But watch your step.
Oop. Sorry about that, little one.
We just wanted to see if you thought the breezies were ready to give it another try. Has it been an hour already? Oh my goodness! Time flies when you're making sure little creatures don't feel that you're abandoning them to the cruel world.
But they're not going to a cruel world, right? They're going
Iya.
to home.
Ya, kalau dilihat dari muka-mukanya para Breezes itu mereka tidak mau tidak mau pulang.
Second thought, I don't think they're quite ready.
What did he say?
I'd rather not say.
Okay, well, I'm sure you know what you're doing. No one knows rare magical creatures like you do.
Kayaknya mengumpat sih tadi
Thank you. I'll be in touch very soon.
yang berisi warna biru itu.
We need to go now, or we will never get home. I wish we did not need that stupid breeze to activate our magic, or I would just force you all to fly home right now. Why do we have to need magic to keep our pollen safe?
Now, Sea Breeze.
Why are
Sea
we
breeze.
these wimps? If they had
Namanya
not
sea
been
breeze
there
ya.
in the first place, this never would have happened.
Well, that is just not true, Sea Breeze. It was because of a leaf, and you know that.
Oh, police! They have no idea what they're doing out there. Like you said, we need as much time as we can get because they are so incompetent.
Well, I didn't say that exactly, now did I? Oh, well, maybe a snack will lighten the mood.
Ninfarden.
You're excused. Well, my breezies, I think we can all agree that now that you've eaten and you have a little energy going in your breezy bodies, you're strong enough to face the breeze. I've loved having you here, and I hope I've made you all feel loved and special. But you have to go. No pony here will deny that.
There is nothing special about these losers. They cannot handle a simple breeze home. If they could just stick with the program and listen to me, we would be safe at home. Home, where every breezy is like us.
Okay, well, a confusing pep talk, but nonetheless, you do know that if you don't leave soon, you may never make it back, and that would be terrible.
Ada pura-pura sakit supaya tidak pulang.
No idea you all have colds. Really? All of you? Oh dear, I can't let you go out there sick. What kind of a friend would I be if I made you go now?
Dog, here's the curtain. Where's the curtain here?
Entah kenapa kayak ini si Breeze kayak bicara bahasa Jerman gitu.
Hey, Fluttershy.
Agak mirip kalau dia
Hurry up the
berbicara
breeze.
bahasa Jepang. Jepang lagi. Jerman.
Before the door closes on their home.
Oh yes. I mean, I'm not quite.
Kalau didengar dari suaranya lagi berpesta itu para Breezes. Para Breezy. Breeze.
Wait too much longer. We'll have to create such a strong breeze. It may be more than they can handle. We just have to trust Fluttershy. She must know what she's doing.
Katanya sakit tapi malah berpesta. Bruh. Main-main.
Why are you spending your time on this? I will never get home.
Breezies, I must say, Seabreeze has a point.
Hmm.
I think it's time for me to get Rainbow Dash and her friends so they can create the breeze for you to get home. Oh, you're all awfully anxious. Oh, I don't want you to feel abandoned or that I wasn't the most kind host I could possibly be.
Gimana ya?
Oh, yes, that does make sense. Seabreeze, do you think you could wait just a couple more hours?
Ya. Kayaknya mau pulang sendiri si Breeze.
Seabreeze? Has any pony seen Seabreeze?
Ya, pulang sendiri.
Where's he going? Oh, there's no way he can handle being out there on his own.
Marah para anunya, lebahnya.
Back off, my breezy friend. He didn't mean any harm. It was just an accident. I'm working on a bee-type dance and was hoping you could help me. Does this bring to mind any images for you? Perhaps a bee?
Di mana dapat itu Fluttershy anunya, coy?
Excuse me!
Oh, mulai marah Fluttershy.
But I guess that is not working. You bees know better than to hurt a helpless breezy. I demand that you go away now, or you'll have to answer to me.
Damn, Fluttershy.
Mankilin, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming after me.
Of course. You could have gotten seriously hurt out there. Ponyville is much too dangerous for you. One tiny acorn is a threat.
Yeah, I know. That is one reason why I have been trying to get us to go from the beginning.
Oh my goodness. I was just trying not to hurt any creature's feelings. My displays of kindness may have cost you everything. Time is running out, and you may never make it home.
That is exactly what I have been telling all of them, but they do not listen to me. No breezy ever listens to me.
Seabreeze, I understand your feelings are hurt, but it's hard for them to hear you when you're shouting and being mean. The message doesn't get across.
But what about those bees? You were not nice to them, and that was the only way they listened.
Yes, but they had to go, and they wouldn't listen to me any other way.
Ada lagi pelanginya.
Now!
Ini untuk episode terakhir ya.
My dear Breezies, I had to rescue Seabreeze from serious harm, and now I know more than
Ya, kalau saya lihat ya, pelajaran di episode kali ini kayaknya membahas kayak anu ya.
I can't help you anymore.
Kau harus kayak
I wasn't helping you at all by being nice.
berkata lembut gitu.
Truth of the matter is,
Jangan marah kalau misalnya berbicara dengan orang lain. Memang terkadang ada waktunya untuk berteriak, tapi ya berteriak atau tegas gitu, tapi harus dimulai dengan lemah lembut gitu. Selama itu yang disampaikan itu merupakan hal yang baik ya.
It's too strong! I can't do it any lighter!
Neither can I.
Fly back! I'm gonna try and see if I can slow it down. Now it's too light! Oh, this will never get them home!
Oh my, maybe it's because there are too few of them. When they started their journey, there was more of them to face the breeze together.
I've been studying an old spellbook from the Castle of the Two Sisters. There's a spell that I think could help us.
Oke.
It's probably gonna feel a little funny at first, but you're gonna have to trust me.
I love new ideas that make me feel funny at first.
Pinky. Man 6 jadi anu sekarang ya, Breezy.
Marfafly barking to. Let's go.
Marfafly Blating tuh. Kira-kira ini bahasa buatannya ini bahasa beneran atau cuma buatan beneran gitu? Entahlah. Sebenarnya bahasa itu juga buatan sih memang. Cuma maksudku ini bahasanya ini bahasa yang tidak masuk akal atau tidak ada artinya atau dalam kehidupan nyata ini bahasa beneran gitu. Agak bingung saya mau bilang apa coy. Pemilihan kata-kata saya buruk. Entah kenapa saya merasa semakin lama saya semakin susah berpikir gitu. Berbeda dengan beberapa tahun yang lalu, apalagi sebelum COVID. Semenjak COVID, saya kayak merasa banyak penurunan, coy, dalam hal ingatan maupun pemikiran.
Simply beautiful. So much inspiration. Where is my sketch pad when I need it?
Siapa itu, coy? Siapanya itu?
You okay, Fluttershy? I'm just so very happy they got to be reunited with their family. We'd better get going before the entrance, well, exit for us, closes. Goodbye, Breezies. I must go now.
Siapanya itu si Breezes itu yang bayi itu?
Thank you. I'll miss you. I'll miss all of you. My experiences with the Breezies have helped me to see that kindness can take many forms.
Kebaikan.
Sometimes being too kind can actually keep a friend from doing what they need to do.
Hmm.
Pushing them away may seem cruel, but it's sometimes the kindest thing you can do.
Oke, nanti saya ulangi lagi. Kita baca pelan-pelan ya apa
That was a close one.
pelajaran di episode kali ini ya.
Gather out.
Kaget kumbangnya. Apa lagi namanya tuh? Kumbang apa ya? Apa ya? Saya lupa namanya.
Not a chance. You sure? What about a dragon? No, it doesn't have to shoot fire.
Meska mau banget si Rainbow Dash jadian ya. Jadi naga. Dan ya bercahaya tadi itu bunga yang ada di rambutnya Fluttershy ya. Itu adalah salah satu petunjuk atau hint untuk episode terakhir season keempat ya. Spoiler sedikit. Ingat saja setiap ada pelangi di episode itu berarti ada benda yang di situ bakalan jadi kunci dari episode terakhir ini. Oke, kita ulangi tadi pelajarannya.
I'll miss all of you. My experiences with the Breezies have helped me to see that kindness can take
Kebaikan bisa dalam banyak bentuk,
and some
dan terkadang bersikap terlalu baik bisa menghalangi teman
actually keep a friend from doing what they
dari
need to do.
melakukan apa yang perlu mereka lakukan. Menyuruh mereka pergi mungkin terlihat kejam,
But it's
tapi
sometimes
terkadang itulah hal yang terbaik yang bisa kau lakukan. Oke, itu adalah pelajaran untuk episode kali ini ya. Dan untuk episode kali ini mungkin segitu saja. Jika kalian suka dengan konten-konten seperti ini, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya. Dan jika kalian ingin mendukung saya, kalian bisa dukung lewat Patreon, Saweria, ataupun Traktir ya. Linknya ada di deskripsi. Dan bisa lewat Danu juga. Dan untuk episode kali ini mungkin segitu saja. Sampai jumpa di next video. Free Palestine. Bye.